Road surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of roads in Indirapuram. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data to assess the condition of existing roads, as well as to plan for the construction of new roads. The main aim of road surveyors in Indirapuram is to ensure that the road network is safe, efficient, and capable of handling the increasing traffic demands in the area. They use various tools and techniques such as asDGPSdevices and laser scanners to accurately measure and map out the road infrastructure. Indirapuram is a rapidly growing locality in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and with its increasing population comes the need for an improved and well-maintained road network. Road surveyors in Indirapuram play a vital role in this regard by identifying areas that require repair or expansion and providing valuable data to engineers and planners. By conducting surveys, they are able to identify potential hazards such as potholes, cracks, or uneven surfaces that can pose a risk to motorists. This information is then used to prioritize road maintenance projects and allocate resources efficiently. One of the key responsibilities of road surveyors in Indirapuram is to ensure that the roads are designed to accommodate the growing traffic volume. They work closely with engineers and designers to develop road plans that meet the specific needs of the area. This involves considering factors such as traffic flow, speed limits, pedestrian safety, and drainage systems. By conducting surveys and analyzing data, road surveyors can provide valuable insights into the most effective design options for the road infrastructure in Indirapuram. They monitor construction sites to ensure that proper safety protocols are followed and that all necessary permits and licenses are obtained. In Indirapuram, road surveyors are essential to the construction and upkeep of roadways. These experts are in charge of doing research and gathering information to evaluate the state of the current roads and make plans for the building of new ones. The primary goal of road surveyors in Indirapuram is to guarantee that the area's road network is secure, effective, and able to accommodate the region's growing traffic demands. To precisely measure and map out the road infrastructure, they employ a variety of equipment and procedures, including asDGPSdevices and laser scanners. With its expanding population comes a need for a better and well-maintained road network in Indirapuram, a neighborhood in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. In Indirapuram, road surveyors are crucial because they can identify places that need improvement or development and give planners and engineers useful information. They can find possible dangers like potholes, fissures, or uneven surfaces that could endanger drivers by conducting surveys. The following step is to prioritize road repair projects and allocate resources effectively using this information. Making sure that the roads in Indirapuram are constructed to handle the increasing level of traffic is one of their main duties. They collaborate closely